Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make coconut macaroon, and this is your request. To make coconut macaroon, basically many people use like sweetened shredded coconut, but I'm using right here unsweetened shredded coconut because I think that because I'm using a can of condensed milk, it's already so sweet. So if I use sweetened coconut, it's gonna be like way over too sweet. But it's up to you. You can use sweet or unsweetened shredded coconut, and then we're gonna need some vanilla extract. And then in this bowl over here I have 2 egg white. I'm gonna start with the egg white. Try to whisk the egg white. Okay, and this is what you're looking for. Turn the bowl upside down and the egg white is not gonna fall down. This is what you need. So I'm just gonna set this on the side for now, and we're gonna start working in the coconut macaroon. Okay, to this coconut I'm gonna add this whole can of condensed milk and also a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Looks like a little bit more than a teaspoon went to the bowl, but that's okay. And I'm gonna start mixing. Just have some patience with this because this is so gentle. It's actually very easy to make. It just comes together in absolutely no time. And right now my oven is preheating 325 Fahrenheit. Okay, without wasting time, I'm gonna add this egg white to the coconut, and now I'm gonna mix all together. Kind of I'm folding it just until everything combines. And now you can see how everything comes together. It's not a dough, but it's just almost like a dough. Okay, now I'm gonna use a mini ice cream scoop, and I'm gonna scoop this. I'm gonna make sure that it fills inside the scoop, and then I'm just gonna dump it on a parchment paper on a tray. It's so easy, very easy to make, just like that. Keep going. And now I'm gonna go put this to bake. I got 26 small macaroon like that, and I think this is the size that you're supposed to make. So you guys gonna get 26 too. So let me put this to bake, and I can't wait to show you how beautiful this is going to look like. Okay, so I let my coconut macaroon bake for 28 minutes, and you can see the top a little golden, but you can remove it as 25 minutes gone, and then it will be like little less. But I like everything crunchy, and look at the bottom. It is still soft. I just removed it from the oven like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna try to break one to show you how it is in the inside, but it smell is so good. It's so hot. Oh my god, so good. Coconut, my favorite. The outside will be a little crunchy and the inside will be a little chewy. I just can't stop eating. You guys have to make it with just very less ingredient. I'm gonna put a written ingredient down below in the description box. Check it, make it, and you're gonna be able to try it like me. And I will see you next time. Bye.